The second episode of Sound to Frame takes a heavier turn. There's a gravity to the Architects that's impossible to ignore. Every riff, every lyric feels like it was built from loss, defiance, and pure fire. I've been listening to them a lot this week, and it's inescapable. Then they announced the tour lineup alongside Landmarks and President, and something clicked. I knew I had to capture what it would feel like to be in it, frame by frame. This is Fury incarnate. Sam's voice in Seeing Red doesn't just cut, it burns. The crowd throws themselves into every beat, but there's a moment where he scans them, soaked in crimson light that's in my head. It's not a connection, it's confrontation. One shot I know I need. Standing in the pit, side on. Sam's isolated in red, and the fans are reaching out over the barrier towards him. There's a space between the two. Close enough to touch, but far enough to feel the difference. The frame says everything about the tension seen, but not held. Where Seeing Red is fire, Animals is lightning. The chorus hits and the whole stage goes white. It's like the band breaks through the static. You see every movement, every flash of sweat. This one's about unity and chaos. The wide shot is essential here, capturing every member mid-motion, framed by light, and then the crowd. Arms up, pulses synced. That's the moment it stops being a performance and becomes a ritual. We frame the crowd in this moment, when the eyes light up and the crowd begin to feel. Some songs just linger. Doomsday is grief and release wrapped in an opening riff that hits straight through the chest. First frame, Adam mid-solo, soft backlight, motion caught in every detail. Then it quiets. Sam's verse pulls everything inward. I catch him in a portrait, lips near the mic, lit like a confession. And the crowd, when that chorus hits, they explode. You can feel it in their faces, their shouts, they're loud, but somehow still tender. Architects don't just play songs, they build something in you. I want to find the moments that stick in your head days later. No movement, no audio. Episode 2, Architects, comes to an end, but we're just beginning.